Say good morning. What's your name? What's your name? Say D. My name is D. Oh. Nakaalis lang ni Ayla at saka ni Daddy, guys. Well, kanina pa pala. It's 8:38 ng umaga.
Where I press the button?
What do you want to do?
I don't watch.
You don't want to watch this? This looks good. Maybe after this. Press this with this. Good job. Press OK. The middle one? The middle. Gusto kong mag-order sa Costco, guys. Costco. Kasi meron ng ano, diba? Costco delivery via DoorDash. So, punta ka lang sa DoorDash, tapos pwede ka na mag-order sa Costco. Daddy. Meron na akong mga inad kagabi. Pero gusto ko sana siyang dagdagan. Kasi ano, naubos na yung dishwashing liquid namin. Chinek ko siya sa Kohl's kasi magpapadeliver sana ako sa Kohl's. Sabi ko, Costco na lang kasi maramihan. Kasi mas mura din talaga siya. So, bawi na ako dun sa ano ko, delivery fee. Pero I'm still looking for other stuff to buy. Para maisahan na lang. Costco. Ano ba yung mga guto yung binibili sa Costco? Nag-add na ako ng probiotic, drink. Meron pa kaming tissue kasi bumili tayo last time, di ba? Ang laki ng tissue. I don't need nappies. We have a lot of nappies. Masarap ba to? In-add to cart ko to, guys. Edamame beans. Well, we will find out. Crunchy roasted edamame beans. Hey. Alright, you stay there. Tapos naghahanap pa ako ng ibang chips pa, snacks, kasi wala na talaga kaming chips. Hindi na ako bumili. Meron dyan, ano, Doritos pala. Yeah. Pero isa lang. Eh, meron tayong parating na bisita this weekend. Pupunta si na Miss this weekend kasi birthday nga nitong isa. And gusto ko sanang mag-stock ng chips or snacks. Wait, saan? Nag-online shopping na nga lang tayo para, ano, mas madali. Ito namang isa. Yung sa snacks area nila, parang nakita ko na lahat and malakihan kasi. So kapag hindi mo pa na-try, parang nakakatakot i-try. Baka hindi mo magustuhan. Ito masarap ba to, guys? Oh my gosh, 200 plus sold. Bibigo na... Ayan, masarap ba yan? Maglagot ba ako na akong bibi nga, di? Di. What's your name? Tempura. Tempura prawn. Yes! You like that? You like that tempura prawn? Agay, B. Mo siko, B. Mo naman kung gisiko, B. D. Which one's for D? Aray. Kasakit na ba yan? D. Ay! Higara. Akong D. Panigara lagi. Akong D. Wala kang kawala sa akin, Mi. Online shopping man yan, Mi. Or physical shopping. Nandito ako, Mi. Nandito ako, Mi. Asan na yun? Wala lagi dito. Wala dito lahat mo, guys. Ah, seafood. Baka sa seafood. Judger. Prawns. Oy, di. Ay, my gosh, ay pamaak, be! Maglagot ba ako nga ng mamaak nga, be? Ayaw pamaak, be. Huwag kang ganyan, be. Ito gusto kong itry. Tempura Veggie Crisp. Gusto ko siyang itry, kaya lang 50 plus recently sold lang. Pero baka kasi bago siya, diba? Merong pumpkin, lotus root, and eggplant. Crispy, Japanese-inspired snack. Ay, parang gusto ko siya, guys. Dito na naman siya, oh. Oy. Ay. Ay. Tingnan niyo dudong ko, guys. Naglalakad na siya, guys. Oh, oy! You okay? Okay, that's good. You're strong? Okay. Pakita kasi ng muscle. Good job, Alo. Thank you, guys. Oh! Dumating na yung Costco order namin. Nag-text na din-drop off na daw nila. You're so strong, guys. Yeah, you are. Open the door. Tulong din daw si Indy. Oh, you got it? Oh, yes. Yay! Oh my gosh, apakalaki. Alright, that's good. Oh yeah, it is heavy. Just grab. Oh, that's heavy too. Actually, I'll do it, baby. Thank you, boys. It's heavy. Yeah. Here, let's see. I'll just do this. Now you can push it, guys, if you wanna help. Thank you, guys. Indy's helping too. Thank you. Daddy. Daddy na naman. Thank you, guys. Uy! Muntika na yung paa mo, be. Aww. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Agoy. Ito talaga yung kailangan natin kasi ubos na talaga siya.
Have you pushed that?
Yeah. You wanna push both?
Yes.
Ay, sus. No, it's okay. I got this one. I got the small one. Okay.
I got the small one.
Okay, you got the small one. But very good. Thank you, Alo.
And that one is too strong.
I know. Kakain na kami. Aray, come on. Nag-prepare na ako ng lunch namin kasi kakain na siya. Tapos biglang mag-text sila na nasa labas daw. So, kunin muna natin.
It's my hair.
What are you doing? I'll get our food. I'll get our food so we can eat. Why? You can do it. Diyan na muna yan. Maya natin yan i-haul. Ayan na, nagsisteam. Ininit ko yung... Ininit ko yung ano namin, ulam, munggo. I need to put you in your chair because it's hot, okay?
Daddy!
Daddy. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I know. Careful, Alo. Don't do that, May. Don't break it.
Daddy!
Wait a minute.
Daddy! Daddy!
I got it, baby.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Natin ang gulay. Tingnan mo to. Hindi talaga makahintay. Mainit kasi, be. Wait sa. Hot. Blow din siya.
Daddy!
Ikaw. Sabi ko mainit, di ba? Kaya? May luha ka pa talaga? Ayun, hindi ka makahintay sa food. Wala pang alas 12. Itong batang ito. Mainit pa nga konti. Hindi ka kasi makahintay, B. Lagyan natin more salt. Dinagdagan ko na to ng tubig kanina kasi na ano na siya. Hindi na siya ganun kamasabaw. Dami nitong naubos kagabi, guys. Buyag-buyag kasi talaga tong bata ko. Nababloated.
It's my tiny boat. It's my tiny boat.
Yeah, wait up, guys, ha.
It's my tiny
Grabe naman talaga. Binublow mo din?
I'm standing up, Mommy.
I know you're standing up and
Look.
you're walking too.
Look, Mommy.
Yeah. Oh no, don't stand on the dishwashing liquid. Put that back there. Put it back there. Don't play with it, please. It's got liquid inside.
Is it poison?
It is poison, yeah. So, don't.
I will not stop.
Yeah. Yummy. Yeah, I know. It's good, isn't it? Buyag mo kabi, oy. Good job. I know. Lagi? Hindi pa nga nakaka-swallow.
I'm stuck.
Right, careful. Ahem. Where's your water? Alo, can you grab your water, please? There on the rug. Yummy. So good! Yay! Good job, Indy. Well done, Baba. Thank you, Ala. Kuya's got your water. Water muna. Water break muna siya. Subo muna tayo. Uy! Careful! You okay?
Yes, I'm dead.
That's good. Alright, ikaw ba, subuan kita ba? Kami. Inisa ko yung rice sa isang plato eh. Wait, mate. It's hot. I know, babe. It's here, oh.
Mommy, I put it in your hair.
No, I don't want it.
No, your hair will be beautiful.
Okay. Is it for beautiful thing?
Not beautiful yet.
Yeah, I got you.
Mom, you look beautiful.
Thank you. Is that beautiful? Are you saying Mommy's beautiful? Okay. Kuya said Mommy's beautiful. Kuya is guapo. Yeah, you want it? Hindi ko makapit sa buhok mo, Bin. Nahuhulog. Lakas mo kumain buyag. Oh my goodness. Puno yun, guys. Ngayon, ubos na. Nakakaisang subo pa lang si Arlo. Una, hindi pa nga siya tapos. Alright, more. Yes. Good job, Inde. Well done, beautiful. Kois, come back here. I've got more food for you. Thank you, Kois. Huh? You wanna do the whole with Mama? Sige, gawin na natin to. Dito na naman siya, guys. 1, 2, 3. Kakatapos lang talaga namin kumain. She's full. That was a ghost. That was alone. Huh? Chinajing. Huh? Kawain. Go. Go watch TV. You don't want to watch TV anymore. You don't like TV. Here, I'll put this up. Come on. Na, 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 na. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Alright. Tadang! So, ito talaga yung kailangan ko kasi ubos na talaga siya. Dishwashing liquid, guys. Yung kailangan natin. And mas malaki siya. Mas mura din talaga siya compared sa kung bibilhin sa Kohl's. So, meron na akong 4 nito. Napakadami, diba? And then, ito na yung mga pinag-a-add ko. So, I got this. Alam ko na malaki siya, but hindi ko in-expect na ganito siya kalaki. Like, pakalaki nito, guys. See? Yan yun. Ito siya kalaki. Anyway, ito yung sour cream and onion na ruffles. But marami kami magtutulong-tulong yan. Kasi nga, meron tayong parating na bisita. This one din, ang laki din pala nito talaga din. Pareho sila ang laki. Hindi ko nakita yung isang flavor nito, yung, ano ba yun? Churros. So, ito lang. But masarap dito, guys. Ang laki din yan. Alam ko gusto yan ni Miss at saka ni Michelle eh. And then 2 more. So, ito na lahat yung mga snacks na binili ko. This one, yung tempura veggie crisp, and yung edamame beans. So, itong dalawang to, hindi ko pa na-try. Ni-remove ko sa cart ko yung isa, kasi ano ba yung itatry ko sana? Yung seaweed. Ni-remove ko siya kasi sabi ko parang sobrang dami naman na hindi ko pa na-try, na itatry ko dito sa online order talaga. So, binawasan ko ng isa. Yun yung binawas ko. I-try natin. Busog pa kasi ako, so baka hindi ako masarapan. But i-try natin itong edamame beans. Maganda siya kasi resealable. Oh my gosh, apakadaming beans nito, guys. It is 510 grams. And ganyan yung laman niya sa loob. I think it's yum. It smells good. Yeah, it's good. Masarap. Pero ang dami. It's a high protein super snack. Ito din, resealable din siya. So, try din natin. Ganyan yung loob. Ay! Masarap din. Yum. Do you want beans?
No. I want chocolate sticks.
Okay, guys.
I want many chocolate sticks. It's yummy.
And bumili din ako ng isang meal.
I eat it all, Mommy.
Ito.
I eat it all,
Gusto
Mommy.
yun ng mga bata. And then bumili ako ng 2 Nurofen,
I eat it
guys.
all.
Kasi mas mura dun. And bumili ako ng baby mama. Kasi I think Indy's down to her last pack. And yung last bili ko is yung last Costco order ko pa. So, diba? Pang ano lang to. Pang patahimik sa kanya kapag may ginagawa ako tapos gusto na niya talaga kumain. So, yan yung binibigay ko. And then, ang probiotic drink ng mga bata. And last one is itlog. Bumili ako mga isang tray ng itlog. And that's it. Yun yung binili natin. 140 ata ito lahat. Wala pang ulam. Uy! What do you want? You wanna go there? Oh, look! What's happening there? Oh, no! Where's Daddy? Say bye! Go, wave to Daddy, go! Go! Say bye! Oh, boy. Mommy needs to do this. Guys, Ayla, can you put Miss Rachel on, please? Put something on because I need to prepare dinner. Thank you, Ate. Go, 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 go. Ate's gonna put Miss Rachel quickly, okay? Just to distract her a little bit. You can change it again later. Go, go, go. Look. Kailangan ko lang itong ihiwa-hiwa, tapos i-boil kasi mag-ano kami. Chicken parmesan for dinner. Sige na. Here, let me do it. Miss Rachel. Luto, Ate. Yeah. Thank you, Ate. Very good na niyang ate ko. Ay. Dito na si Ayla, guys. 1 kilo ata tong binili ni Dan na chicken wings. Tagal na din natin hindi na chicken parmesan. Uy, turn it down a bit. Turn it down a bit. Yeah. See? She's happy with it. I-air fry natin mamaya. Tapos gawa tayo ng parmesan na sauce. And last day ni ate bukas sa school. School holidays na naman, guys. Alright. Let's boil it.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden.
Ito na yung dinner ni Daddy, guys. Sabay kami ngayon kasi nandito na siya. Wala pang 6, nandito na si Daddy. Ito yung kay Ayla and kay Arlo. Simula muna sa dalawa. Mamaya dadagdagan natin kung gusto nila. Where's your broccoli? She gave it to Indy. Indy yung kumain. Good job, Indy! Hey? Binigyan ko muna ng prutas kasi hinihimay ko pa yung chicken niya. Pero naka-broccoli na. Meron
What
kang
the
broccoli
heck,
sa...
Mom?
Why?
I'm eating the bone.
Oh, don't eat the bone. Gustong-gusto nila to eh. Si Arlo na.
The meat's in the middle, so you gotta try and get the meat out.
Yeah. Ito yung akin. Ayan, oh. Sarap kamayin yan. Ito maliliit. So good. Maglalakad na talaga siya. Good job, guys.
Which one's stronger? A dragon arm or dragon leg?
Oh, pati yung broccoli niya, wala na din dyan. Where's your broccoli? Where did you give your broccoli?
You can still walk around.
Your broccoli, where is it?
Over here.
Over here.
Click on me, Dory.
Did you give it to Daddy or Indy?
And Daddy and